Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Asko CBB, either 761S or 861S range hood over the stove hood, and you need to pair the remote with the actual hood. So you might know you need to pair it because you're setting it up for the first time, or you might be having issues where the remote is not working, or you change the batteries in the remote, doesn't seem to be working. So we can manually put everything into pairing mode. So all we're going to do is first we're going to go over on the hood. And on the hood, we're going to find the plus minus buttons, and we're just going to press and hold them simultaneously for 3 seconds, and the lights will start to blink on the hood, and that means it's in pairing mode. It will stay in pairing mode for 5 minutes, so we've got 5 minutes to get this all figured out. Then we're going to come over to our remote, and with our remote, with the batteries in our remote, we're going to come and find the C and the W, and we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds, and that will then put the remote into pairing mode, and the remote will start blinking as well. And they should both keep blinking until they get paired. Once they get paired, they will stop blinking, and then your remote should now be working. So if you're still having issues, you might want to put new batteries in the remote